Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I went from this to that, then make sure you guys just keep on watching. Hey you guys, this hair is sponsored by Amzluck store here on Amazon. That is AMZLUCK, and this hair is 100% human hair. It's not synthetic. This is the exact hair that you guys would need if you was doing Bohemian knotless braids or even island twists, because it does not tangle, which is very good. And the curl is so easy to maintain. I will show you guys how I maintain this curl at the end of this video, but it's super lightweight, no tension, and it's no shedding or slipping out due to the seal that is holding these pieces of hair together, which is awesome. You guys, this hair is so top tier. Like, I am shooken. Okay, love this hair. You guys, I also want to mention that this hair is so much easier than just cutting the hair off the wefts like I did in my last video. So this is why I like this hair so much. So I know you guys have been watching me for a minute, maybe not. But you know that when I do my knotless braids, I like to do the up and down method and then start parting for my knotless braids. This is just to ensure that my parts are equal and yeah, I'm not messing up on the parts. So what I'm doing here is I am feeding in 3 pieces of this braiding hair, and then I am doing 5 pieces of the human hair. You guys, this is the Bora Bora hairstyle. You know, it's the Bora Bora hairstyle, but this time it's black. So as you guys can see, I'm putting the end of that human hair in between my fingers, and then I'm, leaving the curly piece up, and then I am just going to continue braiding down. I'm using the even for my parts, and then I'm using the shiny gem to slick down my hair. And if you guys know, even is the best. I said that in my last video. It's the best for parting, knotless braids, island twist, anything, y'all. That is the best gel you want to use. But yeah, as you guys can see, we're just feeding in the hair. And then at the end, you guys, if you already watched my last video, I am just going to seal the end of my braid with this nail glue, and then I am going to twist it so that it can be secure. And what I'm doing right here is I'm blowing it instead of using my fingers to like smush it in and stuff, because when you blow it, it's gonna dry clear instead of white, because you don't want white. So yeah. So you guys, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just gonna hush a little bit and let you guys watch. If I see something that I need to touch on a little bit, then I'll join in again. But until then, y'all just enjoy the video, and yeah. Also, if you guys want a more detailed tutorial on this hairstyle on the Bora Bora braids, then make sure you check out that below. So I know my sister, she was asking me like, what's the difference between Bora Bora braids and the regular Bohemian braids? Well, in my opinion, Bora Bora braids is where you will add hair to each of your braids, and Bohemian is just when you do like every other braid, like you don't have too much hair in it and stuff like that. as you guys know, when you are doing your knotless braids, make sure you are keeping your windows, you know what I'm saying, just like that. If you know, you know. Y'all, once again, excuse the armpits, you know what I'm saying. I just realized that I am allergic to my deodorant. So I really haven't been trying to shave right there because I don't want to irritate it even more. But yeah, girl, I'm having like an allergic reaction. So another way that I like to secure this curly piece at the bottom of my hair is I like to take my shorter piece and then I like to wrap it around and then I'll use my nail glue to seal it. So you guys, once the back is done, it's okay to just go ahead and split that front part up into two sections. It's easier that way. If you want your middle part, then definitely do that as well. And here we are, you know what I'm saying? We just parting off our first row. First row is going to have 2. Second row is going to be 3. So as you guys can see, I'm done with this side. I'm just counting my rows. That way, you know, whatever I do on this side, I got to do on the other side. I have 7 rows on this side, so I got to do 7 rows on the other side. And as y'all can see, girl, I was over it. Like, this hairstyle took so long. I think if you're going to do Bora Bora hairstyle, you got to have the patience, honey, and you got to make sure you ain't doing something, you know, the following days, because sometimes, you know what I'm saying, it might take a little longer than you thought. Okay? So I like to, well, what I did was I did dip my hair off camera a little bit, but I like to just dip the middle part, if that makes sense. Like right here, that's the only place I dipped my hair, because, you know what I'm saying, I didn't want to mess up nothing. So that's why I dipped it in the middle like that. And I'm just taking some leave-in conditioner mixed with water, and I'm just going to spray it and comb it through with my fingers. I think that's the best way to do it. And then here is some mousse. This is by Edge Booster. I think it's like a curly mousse. So I'm just going to put that on there like that. As I'm putting that mousse on, y'all just look at these curls, how they popping. You know what I'm saying? Some of it did dip in that hot water. Y'all see how it just bounced back like that? Yeah, human hair, baby. Human hair. Yeah, I'm so glad this company sent me this hair, because, yes, I am like, I'm going to keep this hairstyle in for a month because I love it. And y'all, I just took some oil on my scalp, and that is it, y'all. You guys check the description box below for this hair. Look how it moves, y'all. Look, just look at how it moves, okay? That is human hair. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. And if you want to send me some old goodies, make sure you check the description box below for my email. And then let's get to talking and chatting, okay? But y'all, thank y'all. And I'm going to see y'all later. Bye.